Hey guys, I'm Lydia, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a little chaotic because I'm last minute packing for a road trip. I'm gonna give you guys some tips on packing for road trips and packing in general, and I'm gonna take you along with me and we're gonna pack together. And I haven't started at all. We're leaving tomorrow night and I'm gonna show you guys some of the tips I do to make packing a little bit easier. So let's just get right into it, and make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of my travel content coming soon. I'm going on a 5-day road trip to Boston, and we're going to New Hampshire, and I'm gonna be doing a ton of shopping because there's no tax. So I'm super excited. I've never been there before. But we're gonna be in a car for probably like 10 hours. So I need to pack outfits for shopping outfits. I wanna pack workout outfits just while we're at the hotel. Some cute going out to dinner outfits, and honestly, outfits are the hardest part. So I've been procrastinating even like thinking about what I should bring. So the first thing I do when I'm getting ready to pack for a trip is I make a list a couple of days earlier. Instead of like the day before writing down everything I might need and maybe forgetting stuff, I'll start my list a couple of days earlier. That way, as I'm going about my day, if I think of something that's not already on there, like the other things that you might not remember right away, those days, like you can add them to your list and it'll make it a lot easier. For example, something that like I might just like forget that I added onto my list a little later was my fake tanner, my booty band for like workouts, and then also my journal. So those are things as I'm last minute packing, I would probably have forgotten if I wouldn't have written them down a couple of days ago. I didn't even remember until like yesterday. I added them to my list. That is a little tip. Start your list a couple days earlier, and like those little things, like you won't forget those. I'm not gonna pack the things that I'm gonna be needing for the next like day. I'm gonna pack my makeup tomorrow, so I'll show you guys that. I'm not gonna pack my pillowcases. I take my pillowcases every trip I go on, or I cannot sleep. If you're struggling to like sleep at other places, bring your pillowcase with and it'll seem so much like more homey and you'll probably get a way better sleep. Procrastinating, so we're just gonna start packing the outfits. This is the bag I'm taking with me. We're taking an SUV and there's gonna be 5 of us, so there's gonna be no room. We need to pack for like 5 days. Taking my gym bag, it's really cute. It's the Steve Madden one. It's so great for travel because it has this strap too. I actually took this to New York as like my carry-on, and it's making me all nostalgic. Well, I'm gonna pack my makeup tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave my makeup case out so I don't forget that. In my makeup case, I always have like a little baggie of mini hair ties just in case I never have to take out. I find a lot of the time when I'm traveling, hair ties or something I'll forget. I just always keep these in here. And then I also have a toiletry bag. Not really a toiletry bag, but just this bag filled with a bunch of mini shampoos, razors, all that kind of stuff, so I never forget those either. They're just always in this bag ready to go. Another thing I throw in my makeup bag is, I showed this in my what I got for Christmas video. I'll link that down below. But it's this little sampler set, and it comes with a bunch of travel size like mini perfumes. So instead of taking a big heavy bottle with me, I'm just gonna throw a bunch of these into a purse. But I have to decide which ones I want to bring, and that's the fun part. I think I'm going to take just 3 maybe. I love trying out new perfumes. I'm gonna take really pretty sparkly moisturizer with me. This is so nice for like going out and after the shower. Definitely a must. I am still procrastinating. I need to start packing my outfits. I've decided I'm gonna bring 2 bags. I'm just gonna bring my Prada bag because this is like cute for dinners. Then I also love my Marc Jacobs one. It's the one I always gravitate towards now that I've gotten it because it's the biggest one I have, to make sure I have my ID. That would be so bad. I show up and like I can't buy liquor. I really want to try 818 tequila. I'm hopefully going to be able to get that while I'm down there. I know it's really weird, but I actually prefer the paper American dollar bills over like our Canadian like plastic bills. I also love the $1. Like I hate carrying around like handfuls of change. Let me know if I'm the only one down below because I actually hate like loonies and toonies. Okay, so I'm going to bring 3 sleeping shirts, some fuzzy pajamas. I'm thinking like 3 or 4 pairs of leggings. I'll bring 3 pairs of black Lulus and then a pair of studio pants, Realistically, I want to say I'll wear jeans when I'm shopping to like be cute, but I'm gonna be in leggings and I already know that, and that's what I'm gonna be in, probably driving most of the time. If we're there for 7 days, I'm gonna need like 9 pairs of pants. But to be a little dressier, I am gonna bring a pair of jeans and black leather pants because I'll probably wear these to a dinner. An overpacker, but I'm also an underpacker at the same time. Like, I'll bring way too much of like one thing and then not enough of another. That's some cute outfits for dinner. So I'm thinking this with my black leather pants. I don't have any like cute dressy outfits I should bring, and I know it is gonna be cold. Bringing my brown and black Align tank to just be comfy and around the hotel, and I'm gonna bring a pair of shorts in case there's a gym there. I'm not sure if there's like a gym in the hotel. No problem, because I have like 10 pairs of pants and no tops right now. I'm just bringing these like super cute. Made a disaster of my closet. I'm gonna bring just this plain black tank top, and then I want some like cute but warmer clothes, so I'm gonna bring this like cute knit sweater, and this would be a good shopping outfit, I'm thinking. And just more like comfy clothes. Since we're just shopping, it's not gonna be like I want to be super fashionable, obviously. I just want to be like comfortable, and I want options. I realize I definitely want more like cute outfit options, so I'm bringing this really cute satin bandana top. Oh my god. And then this is like so huge, so I don't want to bring this, but I do at the same time. This chunky knit wrap cardigan over top of like any of those tank tops. But this is like the size of this bag. So this is my pile of like just clothes so far, and then I have like none of my bags packed, no shoes, no nothing yet. Like I still need to pack like snacks and those kind of things too. Okay. First things first. There's no way this is all gonna fit in here. This is just my pants. I don't have my hair tools. I don't have my snacks. I don't have my bags. I don't have my laptop. So I think I might just have to bring another bag. And then in the morning, I'm gonna pack my hair tools on the side here, and then my journal and all that kind of stuff in here. Okay, so I got this bag packed. And now I'm gonna add some more clothes in here, and then I think I'm gonna save the rest for the morning because I think we need everything else. 2 more little sweaters, and I think I should be good for like clothes. Water. Bring water. Okay, so it's the next morning and I'm getting ready to go out to the gym and go to my nail appointment. A couple more tips here is that if you know you're gonna be in the car for 15 hours, you're gonna be feeling restless, extremely stiff. I know that if I'm gonna be in a car for 15 hours straight, I'm going to want some movement. So definitely get your steps in the day before and then give yourself a rest day while you're driving. It'll make it a lot easier and a lot more tolerable knowing you got your energy out the day before. It really helps. So when it comes to packing makeup, I do this the day of my travel day. So as you can see, I just finished doing my makeup. And so for packing it, what I like to do, I didn't do it today, but as I'm doing my makeup, I like putting the product on my face and then putting it directly into my makeup bag. So as I'm going, I will have all of my essentials, and then I think about what occasion I'm going to need it for. Oh, am I going to a concert while I'm there? Then throw in like maybe face gems or glitter, kind of stuff like that. So if you're gonna want maybe a red lip for dinner or for the holidays, throw that in there after you have your essentials already packed as you're going. Then what I like to do is once I have all of my essentials packed, I'll grab all of my makeup brushes, tweezers, all of those kind of little things as well. And I will take every single one because I've been places way too many times that I've needed a different brush that I wasn't expecting to need. Consider fake eyelashes at that point as well when you're packing your brushes. And then last, for makeup packing, that's when I'll pack my jewelry, and that kind of goes along with what occasion is this going to be for. So maybe pack my everyday earrings, and then like I said, you're going to a concert, you're going to a fancy dinner holiday thing, bring something that will work for that as well. And don't forget your makeup wipes. Another tip that goes along with the pack your makeup as you go is you can do the same for skincare. I don't have a skincare routine, so it doesn't really affect me, but you can do this at night if you're a nice skincare kind of person, or you can do it in the morning when you're doing your makeup as well. Don't forget to bring your makeup wipes or a face cleanser for the end of the day. Don't just do your morning routine makeup packing. Make sure you remember to include your night unwind too, because you don't want to get there and then realize you didn't do your night routine as well. Those are some more things to keep in mind. So now that I'm all ready for the day, I'm gonna go get my nails done. I don't know what I'm getting done for them. I'm really sick of having just like bright colors, so I think I'm gonna go with a more neutral. Last night, one of my favorite things about going on a trip is definitely doing a reset before I go. I ended up doing a complete deep clean of the house. I want to come home to a nice clean house, and I'm already stressed as it is, like returning from trips, trying to get back into routine. I am a student, so I get really behind on schoolwork and stuff when I go away, and just doing a complete reset of the place before I leave really helps me get back into routine, knowing there's not that much I have to do. I definitely recommend, even if it's just a little bit, definitely tidy up your space so when you get home you're not overwhelmed with all of the chores and stuff that you're gonna have to do when you return. Okay, so far this is what I have packed. This is my makeup bag. This is just clothes, shower stuff. I have like a larger purse and then like my smaller Prada purse. And then I have the Steve Madden duffel bag. But I still need to pack snacks, my laptop, and a bunch of school stuff to take with me. I'm leaving in about 2 hours, and so I have my list here of things I still need to pack, but they're like the things that like you can't do until right before. My chargers, electronics, AirPods, all that kind of stuff. Toothbrush. Just got my nails done. They're so cute. They're not exactly like the color I asked for, but it's okay, we love them. Start packing some snacks. Something about me, I'm very specific and picky at what I eat. I'm pretty much plant-based, so it makes it tricky when we go out because we're gonna be eating out so much. Literally everything hurts my stomach other than like fruits and vegetables. Put together a little bag. I made myself some like gluten-free muffins to bring with. Once I do that, I'm gonna be pretty much ready to go and I won't be so stressed. I got some Skinny Pop popcorn. I use stevia instead of like sweetener in my iced coffees and tea, so I'm bringing this with. I paid $6 for this bottle of a ranch, so I'm bringing this with me. I sometimes, like in restaurants, I'll put this in my purse and like put it on my salad because it's the only kind I like. I'm gonna bring a couple drinks with me. I'm gonna bring this little tea, and I've never tried this. It's just a little cold brew coffee. Then I'm gonna bring some of my almond and like coconut milk with me. And for coffees, there's gonna be a Dunkin' there though, so I'm super excited. Go to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. And I'm gonna stock up on so many snacks. Hopefully I'm gonna post like a Trader Joe's shopping haul and like taste test. Literally, like if you're a Canadian, you understand the pain of not having a Trader Joe's and Whole Foods if you've been to one. You get it, you get it. Also, another packing tip I have is that if you're going away for like a significant amount of time, you know the food in your fridge is gonna go bad before you get back. Throw it out before so you're not returning home to a fridge filled with gross food. And like I have fresh flowers over there, but I know they're not gonna be okay in like a week, so I'm gonna throw them out now so I know I'm not returning home to like dead flowers and like random little tasks I have to do that I'm not going to want to. Okay, you guys, so I just did the last of my packing and I'm about to leave, and I just want to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my black Aligns because these are like so comfy for like just traveling in. And then I have this cropped crew neck sweater so I can be warm and cozy. And then I have my black Align tank on under this because I don't know if it's gonna be like super hot in the car or I'll feel stuffy. But yeah, so I am off, and my next video is gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be a really fun shopping vacation vlog coming soon. So subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.